Today, we will be learning how to operate the ABB switchgear at Carling Substation. But first, let's go over the safety precautions prior to operating the equipment. Make sure to have all the appropriate personal protective equipment before operating any equipment, along with your PC-17A order to operate instructions. Verify which position the breaker is in. The green light indicator indicates the breaker is in the closed position. Check inside the sight glass to verify the switch position. Confirm gas pressure is sufficient to operate the breaker. In order to operate manually, switch over from remote to local on the control handle. In order to open the switch, switch from close to open from the breaker control handle. The breaker position indicator light will switch from green to red, indicating that the breaker is now open. Verify the breaker position through the sight glass. In order to disconnect the breaker from the bus, lift the interlock, take the operating handle and turn it counterclockwise until a positive stop. The breaker is now in the test position. Continue to rack the breaker out by lifting the interlock and turning the operating handle counterclockwise until a positive stop. Verify the breaker position through the sight glass. Verify the breaker position through the sight glass. In order to connect the breaker to the bus, lift the interlock, take the operating handle and turn it clockwise until a positive stop. The breaker is now in the test position. Continue to rack the breaker in by lifting the interlock and turning the operating handle clockwise until a positive stop. Verify the breaker position through the sight glass. Once the operation is completed, switch from open to close by using the breaker control handle. Verify the breaker position through the sight glass. Once the operation is completed, switch the controls back to remote. If there are any further questions regarding how to operate the equipment, contact System Office or your immediate supervisor.